All right.
Good morning, Dave.
How are you?
I'm all right. How you doing?
Not bad. Are you taking trade this morning? Seems like we got some
yeah.
price action happening. Holy.
Oh, yeah. There's a whole lot of price going on right now.
Gold's looking really good right now.
Is it?
Yeah, it kind of popped up and is kind of holding some new highs over yesterday's highs.
Oh, wow.
What's the YM doing? I haven't seen that yet. Oh,
Oh,
quite a pullback.
YM was good to me this morning.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good.
Took a couple of micro trades. Just
Nice.
2 contracts this morning. But I put a limit order in. It took my limit order. It took my take profit in about 4 seconds.
Whoa.
So should have went a little bit heavier, but I didn't want to risk anything with the big news.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Were you in anything this morning?
Nope. Just got to the desk. Looks like we got 3 viewers so far, 2 in X and 1 in YouTube. Good morning, everybody.
We got 7 minutes until the market opens, so now I'll just sit on my hands for a little bit.
Yeah.
Took 1 loss last night. I took 1 win this morning.
Yeah, gold's looking like it wants to go. We do have University of Michigan sentiment at 10. And then also at 10. All the Michigan stuff coming out at 10.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom quick. Hey, there's Darren. Morning, sir.
Good morning, Darren. Must be time to begin.
Almost. What do we got? 2.5 minutes to the bell.
Let's put a limit order in for a long on a cash account
Oh, nice.
on YM for $49,058.
$49,058. That's way down there, hey?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see orders or something down there, or what's giving you this idea?
Previous day's low.
I got 49,004.
Put their orders at 49,000 even.
Gotcha.
All
10
right,
seconds to the
price
bell.
is starting to move a little bit here.
Oh, I see this, yeah. Dow just ripped, right?
Yeah, it did.
Wow, that YM.
Holy crap.
That whole move from the morning just made in one candle. Hey, there's Jose. Good morning. What a savage move there. First 5-minute candle, 170 points. No big deal.
Yeah, it's nothing. Now let's see how much this pulls back.
Yeah. Gold pulled back pretty nicely there. Back into this consolidation zone.
Well, YM's got a whole lot of orders up above us. 49,700 is looking like a target for today.
So like 60 points, 70 points still.
Mm-hmm. Gotta wait for this pullback though. Got orders down at 49,540. And we're starting.
Again, we got the indices doing opposites today. We got NQ pulling back, and then YM's going up, and ES is kind of hanging out in the middle.
Just flat.
Well, it's looking a little bullish at the moment, but NQ just got bought up from the lows of it.
I'm gonna wait for some very clear indication of where to go with this YM.
Yeah.
It's looking like it's going to be a bullish day for YM.
Yeah. ES is actually going up a bit too now, because NQ is sort of cooperating at the moment, bouncing up. So YM sort of rejected off of a 5-minute fair value gap up at 49,628 on the last two candles there. But we also left a nice big bullish fair value gap on the way up. So depending on where this candle closes, we got 3 minutes left.
Yeah, just erase that bearish fair value gap that it was making. CBD starting to go up.
Yes, it's sort of rejecting at the previous day high right now. Not really getting a reaction. Not, I shouldn't say rejection, but getting a reaction there. Gold erased that pullback.
And here goes YM.
Yeah, NQ just erased that whole pullback, and now it's like almost to the pre-market high again. Same with ES. ES is now up at the high. Everything's up at the high. Ooh, pretty big rejection there on all three, it looks like. As gold is slowly climbing.
So I am now in a YM long.
Okay, nice.
Down $100 on this trade.
Pulled back.
Pulled back a little bit on me here.
Oh my god, there's so many. So the ASFX is doing their giveaway.
Yeah.
There's so many names on that freaking list. Holy crap. Crazy.
Ooh.
Sitting on previous day high now on YM and New York VWAP.
Hoping it bounces up off of that New York VWAP. Otherwise,
Gonna have to cut that.
yep.
$642.
Well, ain't that a bitch? Down $450 already.
That trade's down 450.
Oh yeah, I cut it.
Okay. Wow, yeah, quite the reversal. Holy crap.
Oh yeah.
It did not stop anywhere.
Bookmap lied to me today.
For now, anyways, right?
Yeah.
Good morning, Nina. Hey, Zara, good morning. It's already week 2 of January. Time flying.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yes, sir, it is.
So what was the
Wow.
news with the jobs report today?
I think it was good.
Wow.
I can't believe that YM completely reversed that move again there.
Yeah, that's insane.
Like that was 170 up and then 170 down. Non-farm payrolls, so previous was 64K, forecast of 70K, and it came in at 50K. So it shows a red number. I don't know. Is that down, I guess?
Yes.
It says Canadian employment change went up. I don't get that. U.S. average earning year over year is up 3.8% for the U.S. U.S. building permits, 1.42 million, up from 1.135 estimate. Unemployment rate is it was up. It was 4.6 previous, and then they guessed it was going to be 4.5, and it came out 4.4%. So it's unemployment is dropping by 1 point. I grabbed 2 micros long on YM here. Right back to my entry price though.
Yeah, I got another YM long on right now.
Ooh, it's pretty bouncy right now. Almost stopping me out here. Come on, YM. Do watch out. Very volatile on the tape, he said. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Back to almost break even here on this trade. Okay. Trying to go green. Oh, don't stop me. Please. Go up.
All I wanted was for you to go up.
Just a bit. Just give me 50 points up.
I want 170.
Oh, there we go. I'm going to get stopped. Almost going to stop there. Yeah, I'm going to stop me here. Yeah, well, that's too bad.
That one stopped me too. Today is not our day.
Yeah. But just decided to go the other way. Now it bounced off of previous days in New York. Oh, we got gold bouncing off of this bullish fair value gap. Yeah, kind of missed that entry on gold because I was looking at the YM. News in 10 minutes, Michigan sentiment. Yeah, good call. Zart?
Gonna wait on taking any trades until after that comes out.
Yeah, I think it's a smart thing to do for sure. Five minutes still to this bell or to this news.
Good stuff. I'm gonna go grab some more tea.
Sounds good. Woo. That was hot. That was a hot short. I just took a short on NQ there, guys. We kind of bounced up there. I took a short, I added into it, and then I marketed out, cancel all down there. I'm up 244, so I made, how much was I up there? That was a nice little trade across four lucids there. We kind of like bounced, we pulled back, we bounced to the top of the high of that candle and then started rejecting. So I was like, oh, this is the one. This is where it's looking good to me. Just add the trade here. Let's see how much I'm up here. So I made 111 on that long there, or that short. Very nice. Now I'm going to be real careful not to blow any trades here. I'm probably not going to touch that account anymore. This guy got inverted. And that I was looking at gold for this 5-minute fair value gap for the pullback. And then I got into that YM, which I ended up losing, and I missed this opportunity here. One minute till news, guys. Oh, there's supposed to be a Supreme Court decision on tariffs. Popping it up here.
Who's popping up and why?
NQ's going up. I took a short, actually, really fast short while you were gone there. I made 111
Nice.
in 4 accounts. Wow, no, NQ's pulling back again really fast. Whew.
Gold looking like it's going to keep going up now.
Yeah, I'm liking gold. I've been watching that for a minute. I missed my entry down at 44.88 area. I was watching that bullish fair value gap out of, I guess that was the 5:30 or 8:30 a.m. candle. And it pulled back nicely and then went all the way to the highs from there. So would have been nice. 14 points up. Whew.
14 points on a gold contract's a lot of money.
Yeah, just one contract, $140. So we had a bearish fair value gap set up there, and then we inverted that and we left the bullish fair value gap inside it. So it's possibly an idea to get along off that, but we didn't make a new high is the only thing that I'm concerned about. So we might be stuck sort of ranging a bit on the gold right now for a bit, because it would have been nicer if we, broke the high. So we made like a nice new high and then we get that pullback, right?
Yeah, if it broke through what, 45.07,
Yeah, it's almost
45.08
trying to right now. It tried to there, whatever that news was. Oh, university. No. What did you just put? Yeah, that must have been okay, so the U.S. Supreme Court will not report on the Trump stuff today. So
So
the news was supposed to come out, the ruling on the tariffs was supposed to come out at 10 also, and it said that it will not come out today. So that was kind of what made us pop there a bit. So I think the news was everyone's a little worried about what happens if the tariffs get refunded, right?
Oh, yeah.
I would say that'd be pretty bearish. That'd be my guess. But the news might do opposite at first.
Who knows?
Who knows? Yeah, news is like a flip of a coin, right?
Yeah.
Well, ES, NQ, YM all turned around. The only one that's holding up right now is gold. Didn't quite make that high yet. I would have liked to see it get up over 08, which it's trying to right now. Okay, we just broke the 08s, so now we can consider a pullback for a long. I'm watching the 3-minute chart, and I got a couple. We got an inverted fair value gap, and we got a bullish one.
So we did
Randy
break
says he's
that
liking the
high
long.
day.
Sorry, yeah, we did, yeah. Now, when you do breaks like that, do we consider it a break with the
No, it's a wick, not the candle closure. So
that's what I thought so too. But we did have the closure. We had a 1-minute closure, but it wasn't even above the wicks. It was the higher body closure though. Just not that clear, right?
yeah, there's nothing clear right now.
What are the orders looking like for gold on the book?
Let me take a look.
ES has so many orders above 85, 90, 95, 7,000, 7,005.
Gold's got orders at 4,500, and then everything else is up above it.
Which is right where we want that entry in that fair value gap.
Yep.
I'm gonna wait for a reaction on this. I'm gonna wait for this to make sure it holds it before I'm gonna take a long here, rather than take the entry in the fair value gap. So we did hold that so far. I need some coffee.
Wick down into the bottom of that fair value gap and then just popped up. So
typically what we like to see. Oh, there, now we're pushing right back up, hey? Should have took that. Too bad. 6 points already. 6 points in 5 seconds.
it's looking like it's coming back down for a few.
Yeah.
Those orders at 4,500 are gone.
Yeah, they got those. They took it out, right? ES, YM, NQ, all looking pretty heavy right now. Pretty bearish.
It's looking like gold wants to mess with me a little bit today.
Don't mess with us. Don't mess with us. With the other three selling off, gold should do a little bit of the inverse and kind of go higher, you'd think.
It should pop up.
You got that one confluence sort of working with it. Because, yeah, the other indices are looking freaking heavy right now. NQ's almost at its, like, breaking the low. Kind of have a whole bunch of equal lows down at 608, 25, 608 on NQ.
Bunch of orders just came on at 45.02 for gold.
Ooh, nice little pop there. Oh, geez, NQ just ripped through the lows there. And we're about to take pre-market low on NQ. Just took it, making
Bunch
new
of
lows
orders
now.
just came up on gold at 45.20.
I'm guessing you're long in the gold there.
I am.
Nice. Let's get that money. I chickened out, so Dow took out Asia and London low. Now it's bouncing a little bit. NQ bouncing a little bit back to the point of control, and ES also bouncing a little bit. Got on a different time frame here though. Yeah, they're all in unison right now.
All right, I'm up 1,600 on my gold.
Ooh, wow. There you go.
See if it can eat up these orders at 45.10.
Yeah.
Oh, just rejected off it.
Oh yeah. 4 points. 4-point rejection. NQ's forming a really big wick on the bottom side of the last 5-minute candle. Oh, this is a 15-minute, sorry. Randy's taking a long on ES, it looks like. That's pretty risky. He's like well below the VWAPs. All those orders on ES are gone. They had a whole stack above. Not as bright as it was before. Gold's trying to hold this level here, trying to hold the 500 level, 503.
Yeah, I'm still up 800.
Nice.
Got my stop loss and profit. So, hey, look at that. 1,300, 1,400.
Beautiful. Come on, keep going.
That's what I'm hoping.
Rip it good. Is that in your props or is that personal?
This is a cash account.
Yeah. Oh, NQ just erased that whole move down. And it's in a bullish engulfing candle now. So I think Randy's idea on the longs here might actually be like he's nicely up already. It's been just climbing. Whoa. Right up to the New York. He should just cut that trade now. Right to the New York since he entered, straight up. That's what I would be doing anyways. I'd be like, well, or at least cover some of the trade there. What's he seeing above still? We got orders at 85. Okay, it took New York. Well, it's pulling back a bit here. That's one thing is good today is that the indices are working together. Gold's still flirting with that high there. Hey,
Wanted to break through it.
45.07.
Break through it at some point today.
Anyone who shorted that breakdown, if they shorted it down at like any of the indices towards the low of those previous candles, they're just in some pain right now.
Oh yeah. Just ate a
if not already stopped out, hopefully.
Yeah, anybody who shorted it down just ate a big old bag of shit.
Yeah. Hopefully they had their stops tight.
Here's hoping. Gold just keeps flirting with this price here. It's that 45.05 is just
kind of a bit of a roadblock. Randy's trade is working out so good right now.
I'll be taking another payout this week.
I think he lost one of his funded accounts a couple days ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. At least that's what I heard on the stream. Lost one or maybe even two, I don't know, of his funded accounts. But then he had one other account that he had some money that he could withdraw, so he probably took that out. Smart move. He just trailed it up basically to the VWAP. So if it ends up pulling back to him all the way to the VWAP, it'll take him out of that trade. So be interesting to see what happens here when NQ gets up to 25,780. Gold's being a slow mover right now. I'm pulling back a little bit, holding point of control.
Looks like gold's going to come down to that fair value gap at 45.01. Or at least try to. There's orders at 45.02.
Right at the very top of that inverted fair value gap on the 3-minute.
Still orders up at 45.10.
Good thing Randy brought that stop up because it did turn around and stop them out there.
Still took a win for the day though.
Yep. It was in it looks like it was in an eval, 3 micros from the bottom there. So I'm sure he made a decent amount of money on that. I didn't see how much, but it was in an eval, but I mean, it doesn't matter. You got to pass those evals too, right?
Yeah. Those orders, 141 orders on gold at 45.25.
Whoa. I've been trying to wait for another pullback into that fair value gap for an entry. Not that I want that to do that to your trade, but that's kind of what I've been eyeballing for an entry because that's basically where you got similar area to where you got in, I think.
I got two minis at 44.99.9.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's a nice entry. Right in that fair value gap.
Orders at 45.01 just came off.
As it's popping up.
$116 orders just showed up at 4,600.
Oh shoot, I missed that. So I was looking at YM for taking along, and then I saw that there was a bullish fair value gap, but then price pulled back and erased the bullish fair value gap. But I didn't realize that 2 candles before that, we had a bearish fair value gap that got inverted, which was actually the entry that I should have taken, which is the same entry as I was looking. Shoot.
Just ate up the orders at 45.10.
Nice. There you go. Keep going.
I'm expecting it to bounce around 45.10 for a few minutes and then hopefully keep going up.
Sounds like Christine's going to take her first payout. I just heard.
Nice. Just took out the orders at 45.11. Came back down a little. I'm sorry, 45.12. Now we still have orders up at 45.20.
I'm in a 1 micro long on YM right now. Stops
All right.
in a little bit of profit. I'm going to try to just hold this one. Not risking much, so I would like a bigger move on it. Try to see if we can't get back to sort of up to these highs. So I'm up $23 in that times 4. Should I just be stingy and take it? I don't know.
That's entirely up to you. I am
1
not here
micro,
to give financial advice.
$28 is a pretty big win on a YM. But I'm going to try to be patient here. Gonna,
45.15 orders got taken on gold. Now we got
wow,
14 orders. No, 26 orders at 45.
2 minis on that, hey? Wow.
45.18.
You're gonna make like 3-4 grand on that for sure. Just keep going.
Up 3,200 right now.
Yeah.
Locking in 300 bucks.
I'm bringing my stop up pretty high here on the I am up to the 90s. I'm going to put it just below 5 points below the 600 and see if we can't get some more. We're moving up higher here, up 40 now in this trade. Stop up to 607 here. Keep going, keep going. Yes, keep going. Stop up to 15 now, 615, and I'm up. All right. Return nice.
All right, I'm about to hit those orders at 45.20, and it just ate them up.
Boom. Nice job.
And I'm gonna lock in $1,000. See if it goes and takes those orders at 45.25. Some orders just came on at 45.16 and then disappeared. So
They're thinking about it.
and we got orders at 45.21. And we're creating a bullish fair value gap right now. Oh.
A slap there.
Little 3-point slap in the face.
Well, it looks like I left 50 points on the table with the YM there already.
Yes. It's looking like gold's going to pull back up again. So you can take the orders at 45.20 again. Oh,
Well,
be a dick now.
Strong trader, he's up 6,500 on that YM long.
Nice.
Oh no, sorry, he's up 2K. I think he was reading a comment from the chat or something. The 6,500, like somebody else in the gold trade, like you, I think.
Bunch of those orders just got taken at 45.20 and they're gone.
Doesn't look like it wants to stop yet, eh?
Nope. That's why I left my stop loss just at 25% of the profit that I've taken have on it so far.
Yeah.
Orders just came on at 45.30.
I got to get better at not being. I need to be a little less aggressive on my stops. They often taking me out. Like I said, I left 50, 80, 70, about 70 points on the table there on that YM already.
On the prop firm accounts, I'm always aggressive with the stop losses.
Yeah.
And the take profits.
70 points. That would have been another 35 bucks. Would have almost doubled my profit. Pretty big bullish fair value gap on the gold there. If there is a pullback, it's probably going to hold somewhere around the 45.12 area. What's going on in the chat, guys? We only have 3 viewers in YouTube and 5 in X this morning, so it's probably Zar, Jose, and Darren, maybe?
Yeah, probably. The usual suspects.
Usual suspect, yeah. And look at, wow, NQ and ES just ripping today.
Going up or down?
Up, yeah. Everything's up. Yes, like that's what I was saying. Like today's one of those days where we got to keep an eye on that. When all 3 indices are working together, once they pick their direction, it just goes because they just have so much strength, right?
Yeah.
Because when they work together, it just, yeah, everything's going up.
Teamwork makes the
Chart work.
Yeah. Thank you. I couldn't think of anything witty. Excuse me.
I tried a little short there on the gold for see if we can't pull it back down to 12, but it took out my stop a little bit, break even in money. So not that I think it's going to go very. Oh yeah, look at that 7:30 candle, bouncing nice. Should have been taking.
Oh, take it.
You closed the trade, or?
Yeah. No, okay. I said I'll take that bounce up off the fair value gap.
Yeah, I was just kind of thinking there might be a little bit more of a pullback into that fair value gap before the bounce, but it didn't. Keep going up now. So we got 5 people in the YouTube now. And 5 on X. Hey, there's my dad. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Stewart.
So I ended up down 106 yesterday and then up 658 today. But this has been a really bad week for me. Got two big red days, Monday and Wednesday. I don't know if you remember, but Wednesday was really bad. I hit like basically $1,000 in my 4 funded accounts, plus my both of my top 1 futures had red days also, so it was like red across the board on every account on Wednesday. There you go, beautiful bounce there. Took the 20s, the 21s.
We still got those orders up at 25. 40 orders at 33.
After that court news, there was a crazy lot of call buying on options into the Mag 7 and tech stock. Yeah, because they got more time before it's going to get possibly damaged. So the uncertainty was lifted for temporarily.
A little bit more of a pullback on gold here, down to 45.1850. And still all the orders, all the larger orders are up above it.
Got a bunch of orders on ES up at 7,000, only about three points away, and then 705 above that. Pretty dark below.
All the gold orders just disappeared underneath us.
Whoa.
Only thing we really have is down at 45.09. For some reason, it's still pulling down. Now there's some orders down at 45.10.
Which is the bottom of that fair value gap, close to the bottom.
There we go. Start going up again. Uncle Nicky needs a new pair of shoes.
Tanner's like doing one of those things again. He got so close to his TP, like, you know, within like 10 points or something, and he didn't take it. And then now it's pulled back. Not that it's like pulled back a ton, but it's pulled back quite a bit. Hopefully hopefully it doesn't pull one of those moves on him again where it's like goes back to break even.
Ugh.
Hey Keith, good morning, sir.
If I had a nickel for every time that happened.
Right? Yeah. Keith was doing pretty good in his silver account. It's up like 1,700 in 1 week.
That's awesome.
I think it was.
See if this gold can break through that 45.20 again. There it goes.
Yeah, gold's trying to take that high again here.
Orders just came on below it and disappeared. All right.
Just kidding. As soon as it popped a little bit there, it's like they took it off. Or maybe they just moved them to a market order, and that's what created the pop, right? Instead of trying to buy the pullback, they're like, no, let's just go in here.
Yeah, judging by this price action, there's no reason for me to get out of it.
No, it's holding that 15 level real good.
22.5, 22.1. All right, just broke through the $4,500 mark.
Nice.
Locking in 2,000.
Very good.
Still waiting for that those 2,500 orders to start getting taken. Shit, it looks like they're going to right now. And they got taken.
Nice.
Came back down off it a little bit, but locking in 3,000 in profit.
Very good. Yeah, at some point you got to be like, okay, well, let's start locking in a bit more here.
Yeah.
What are you up? You're up over 4 now?
5,000 even.
Nice.
Yeah. 49.80, 49.20, 4,900, 4,800. Now we got orders up at 45.50, 45.44. Oh, we got 82 orders at 45.50.
I took a long on NQ here. I put a market order or limit order in a bullish fair value gap on this pullback.
Think we're gonna make it to 45.50 today.
I'm in 2 long now, 2 contracts long on NQ. But it doesn't look like it's going to stop here pulling back, unfortunately. How long do I have? We got 2.5 minutes on this candle, so I'm risking 25 points on 2 contracts. So it's $100 risk. It's a little too much. I don't want it to get there, obviously, but come on, boys. Let's bounce it here. Oh, we got another bullish fair value gap below.
On which one? YM?
NQ. Come on, bulls. Step in for a minute here. There we go. Get me back to my entry price anyways. Keep going. Need to get it back up above 15, 815. Feel like I should cut this. We're down to 1 minute left on this candle and it's pushing lower still. Just with that 1 minute left, there's still a chance they're going to bounce it back up to that fair value gap, but doesn't look like it at the moment. Getting really close to my stop. We got stopped, yeah. Lost 105 on that trade. Oh man, I just don't have very much luck with NQ. It's like,
then stop trading NQ.
Yeah, I think so. It's just not respecting the fair value gaps. Like, just not respecting the fair value gaps. And it's a key level, the 800s there, that I thought for sure was going to hold because it was resistance for so long and then we broke it. I'll be right back.
This gold trade is making me itchy. Just got a bunch of orders at 45.20 on gold. It's inside a fair value gap. Oh, a bunch more orders just came on at 45.28. Book map is really dark red up there. And all the orders underneath just came off. So I'm not closing this trade out.
And I'm back.
We got some decent sized volume balls, bullish volume balls on gold right now. Pulled back past those fair value gaps. And there's 193 orders at 45.70. 82 at 45.50.
Wow.
Put my take profit up at 45.70, you know, just in case. See if it erases this bearish fair value gap now.
Just did, right?
Yep.
Didn't give it a chance to form.
Abort, abort. I wish I would have traded all my prop accounts with gold today.
Right? Wow. I wish I entered in that gold like at 500 level area. Killer trades. YM had me distracted there.
Yeah, it's all luck. No idea what I'm doing here.
I doubt that.
Just pushing buttons and shit. Got some orders now at 45.20 on gold. Just underneath that bullish fair value gap that's formed. And it just ate a bunch of them up. That's really trying to make it to create a bearish fair value gap here.
What time frame are you on here?
I'm on the 1 minute.
Okay.
Let's look at the 5. Oh shit.
I was watching the 3 minute, and it's kind of there's a decent bullish fair value on the 3 that's been holding. We got 39 seconds on this candle if it closes inside it.
Here's hoping.
Yeah.
Well, orders did just come off underneath us. There were a few orders down at 45.15.
Pretty big slap there. Three-minute candle closed below that bullish fair value gap. I got my stop in there. I entered on that pullback and stopped to break even here. Let's get more of a bounce here, boys, please. All right, I got I got stopped out in that pullback, unfortunately.
You in a gold trade?
Yeah, I tried to get in long there, and it went to break even or slightly in the money, and it pulled back on me. So Tim said, "Good morning, guys."
Good morning, Tim. How you doing today? Yeah, if this doesn't break that 45.25 level, I'm going to cut out of this one. Still have 5 minutes on this 15-minute candle. It's above a bullish fair value gap. I can hold this for another 5 minutes. I won't be. I'll try and be patient. 45.20 is a real key level, though. It just keeps coming back to it.
Yeah.
Over the past 15 minutes, it's actually over the past half hour, it's come back to it like 5 or 6 times.
Yeah. Yeah, it was kind of a resistance there for after those first couple candles, after it popped up and then took it, and then it became support, and now it just recently just took it again, right?
Yeah, it just went down to 49.19.
Sort of acting a little bit like resistance at the moment.
Yeah, it's about 20 minutes above it, though, so. Hey, there we go. 45.21, 45.22.
Market did ES dirty. It was almost at new all-time high just by 10-ish points at the top, and then rejected. Oh yeah, hey. So close.
Well, let's go. Get up there.
Tim, no trades for him today. Learned his lesson a while ago not to trade on NFP Friday. Gotcha. Just to feel like it's a better to avoid day. Hey, Nick, or hey, Tim.
Generally speaking, I would agree with him. All right, we're at 45.23. 2 more points. Want to break through that 25 level. If it breaks through that, I'm just going to keep my stop loss where it is at 3,000 and my take profit up at 45.70.
Nice. Yeah. Nice, Tim. Congrats. He's close to a payout, so he doesn't want to mess it up. Yeah, smart move
Good
there.
choice. There we go. Keep going. A bunch of orders now just showed up at 25. Oh, we got some algo orders on here too. At 25, 24.50. Looks like they're trying to pull the price up. Let's pull my stop loss up to 45.17. Just under
I'm in an
the.
NQ long here.
What was that?
I'm in an NQ long here. Couldn't stay away. It's working out really good right now. And I'm taking it. There we go. Got a good chunk of my loss back there, so. So I'm down $38 now in that account. Back from 100 something. So I made 40, 50, 60, $70 back.
All right. That's good.
Yeah. It tried to invert a couple, or it's trying to invert a bearish fair value gap.
On NQ.
Well, it did on the 3-minute, yeah. But on the 5-minute, it didn't quite close there yet. So we got 1 minute and 28 seconds here. I see those equal highs on ES, and I just feel like with those equal highs, like Zara was talking about earlier, it's gonna be going up. So I was waiting for a bounce. I know I was trading to NQ again, but
you just couldn't stay away.
yeah.
NQ is your toxic girlfriend.
I like the price action on NQ, but like I think I need to be, like entering on the fair value gaps doesn't necessarily work, right? You kind of have to wait to see it to build some support before you get in, because it overshoots, right?
Yeah. It's going to be your next t-shirt. Just going to make you a shirt that says, I have a codependent toxic relationship with NQ.
She likes to overshoot.
bunch more orders just came on gold again. 24, 25, 26.
It's one of those long hold days.
I don't know. It's starting to pull back on me a little bit here.
Back below the 20. Pretty low volume between like 17 down to like 08. There's just not a whole lot of volume in that area, so it might be due for sort of a pullback into that 08 area and then bounce back up, and that would sort of fill up the volume in that zone. The average daily range on silver is 6%. Wow.
That's nuts.
Just silver's just been ripping. Holy. Wow.
Well, you need it for electronics and war machines.
Yeah. Basically everything nowadays.
Yeah.
And, you know, China's been hoarding it. So there's a disconnect between the price and the supply.
All right. Well, I just got stopped out, made $3,100.
Beautiful. I mean, not to be stopped out, but to make 3,100.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with
Not gonna
that.
complain about it.
Nice trade. Nice long one. Patient. Yeah, anyone who's in if anyone tried to buy silver up at the 79.80 level, looks a little painful at the moment.
Having a real bad day. Yeah, if you don't have a very large cash account, silver is hard to trade. That's why I haven't been trading it. I don't
Yeah,
have that kind of money.
could trade like one micro on like a 300K account.
Yeah.
At least you have a little bit more room there.
So I took another gold long at 45.14. Single
MNQ
mini.
taking the highs here. Nice. Yeah, NQ's ripping. Maybe ES is going to go for those all-time high.
Wouldn't bet the farm on it. Trailed my stop up on that last gold trade, made another $200.
Nice. $200 is that's 2 points, right? On a mini. Yeah, those hundreds can pile in and pile out real fast.
Yeah.
With a mini.
And with this price action right now, I'm not fiddle farting around with
Hold.
trying to hold anything for a long time.
Yeah, especially since it's been up so much, right?
I had my one good trade for the day.
Dow's trying to head back up towards the highs here too. Well, I was considering taking a short on the gold there from like the 17 area down to basically where we are, 10, but didn't do it, and it played out. Just like I was saying, this just kind of like that low volume area. I just feel like the price is going to go down there and just play around a bit, fill up some of those orders.
You were talking about on NQ or gold?
On gold, yeah.
Right now, there's orders at 44.90, 44.05. Still those orders up at 45.15, 45.40. Still that 194 order. Oh, it's gone up. There were 141. It's 194 orders at 45.70.
Wow. Yeah, too bad I didn't hold that NQ longer. That thing just ripped. Ripstick. That's what Czar said. That's what I'm thinking. Holding the last runner. Watch if ES can make it new all-time high. Everything's looking so, but it also weak at the tops. Yeah.
So gold is coming down to New York VWAP at the bottom of a bullish fair value gap.
So VWAP and a bullet fair value up there. Gold's working really good right now. Stops in, I'm almost break even, I think, if I get stopped out here. So it's kind of my idea, lock in that. There we go. I'm down $8 in that account now. So
Nice. It's a way to claw that one back.
yeah, from 110 back to break even. So they, prop firm match gives away 60 accounts per week.
Wow.
Yeah, 12 per day. Crazy.
That's a lot of accounts to be given away.
Imagine how much money they're generating from affiliate sales, hey?
I imagine it's quite a bit.
Yeah, because you don't get that kind of amount of accounts to give away unless you're racking
Not
it.
unless you're doing something good for the prop firm companies, or you're doing something illegal.
Yeah. Gold's bouncing up here again, back up to that 21 EMA.
Yeah, it's heading up towards a fair value gap too, though. A bearish one.
Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah. Ends at the 20.
And Bookmap has orders now down at 45.12 on gold. So
YM's taking out the highs right now. Well above the highs.
I'm in a 2 micro long on gold now.
Okay.
I think maybe I zigged when I should have zagged.
Getting a little pullback.
But
Well, good thing you went micros, right?
yep, that's why I went micros.
Heading back to that fair value gap there. On the 5 minute.
Be bouncing off it a little bit.
Yeah, and the 21 EMA.
Is the 9 above or below the 21?
The 9's above. Yeah. The 9 is basically at the top of that 5 minute candle right now.
All right. And that is it for me for the day.
Well played. That's what Czar said. Well played.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
That was a fun and stressful day of trading.
Yeah, no doubt. Bit of the emotional roller coaster. How much should I take? on the good side, though.
I need to keep moving my stop loss up and up and up.
But when you see it go to 5,000 and then it comes back to 4,000, it's like, oh.
Yeah,
right?
But I mean, if you don't give it any room, it's not gonna.
Yeah, that's my problem. Getting too
aggressive.
Stops.
I'm glad I did tighten up my stop loss though, because this pullback would have eaten up everything that I made on it.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Not too bad here. On this account, I'm up almost 14,000 for the month of January.
Nice. That's your cash account.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, all right. I've actually had pretty decent winning days and only one real shitty losing day, so.
Yeah, my week hasn't been good.
Yeah, I know how that is. I had one of those a few months ago. It was like an entire week of I should have stayed in bed.
Yeah.
All right, Dave. I think I'm gonna get out of here now because frankly, I don't think I have any left in me.
Nice.
Made
Yeah.
all the decisions I'm able to. I can't do no more.
Sounds good.
All right, take it easy. Don't go on
Okay.
tilt.
Yeah, I should
And I'll
probably wrap it up too
see
here pretty quick.
you on what, Monday morning?
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, see you then.
Okay.
Bye,
Yeah.
everybody.
See you, Nick. Well, what are you thinking, guys? I think we kind of should probably wrap it up here too. I've been considering trying to keep my morning trade sessions to 8:30, which is 4 minutes from now. Just went in short on 25,872 on NQ. All right. You got some room at least down to the previous day high if it rolls over here. See that happening. You do have a bullish fair value gap between 62 down to 57. Come on, print it for Tim. He needs a payout here. Just drop it like it's hot. We got some orders at 25,860. There you go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. All the way down to 60 here. There you go. Got you to 60s. Just need 200 short 3 micros. Nice. Let's do it. So you need like 15 points at 3 micros. That's 30, 60, 90. Oh, no. Double that. 20 points is 40 or a 12. That's not quite it either. You don't have to get all 200 in this trade either, right? Don't take him out. Oh, Keith went up, went from up 150 down to down 200 to up 160. All right, lock it out. Good job. There you go. Hopefully it didn't stop you out. Nice. Sitting at previous day high there. Held that low, held that previous day high. Oh, you got a customer, got to go. Okay, Tim. Good to see you today. Still got a whole bunch of orders up at 7,002 and 7,003 on the ES. People targeting sort of the high. 265 orders at 69.90. Risking about 20 bucks here. I just took a long on the YM. Just liking this bounce. I feel like we might have found our low and got some room to the upside here. I'm gonna go stop the break even here, so I don't have to risk giving anything back here. Come on, keep going, boys. Keep going. Try to be patient here, see if we can't get up to these highs here again. I might take one off here. Took one off there. Stop, break even on the rest. We're locked in. We're now green on the day on this account. So let's see if we can't let this run for a bit here. I just got to make a quick phone call. I'm going to be here, but I'm going to turn the mic off for a sec. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for hanging out. We're going to wrap up the stream here. Yeah. Hey, Keith. Yeah, have a good weekend. Thanks for showing up. Keith, Tim, Czar. I think my dad was here earlier. Yes. Nina popped in. Jose in the morning. Darren in the morning. So thanks so much, everybody, for hanging out. It was fun. We had a good stream today. Hopefully you guys are green. And keep it going. We'll be back live on Sunday for the Sunday session, 6 p.m. or maybe 7 p.m. ish. So sometime around there. If you guys are available, come on back. Definitely check out Top One Futures or Lucid Trading if you guys are looking to pick up any accounts. They're both great firms, and you can get the top discount using my discount code MBT. So yeah, thanks so much, everybody. It was a fun stream, and we'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace out.